Now see, when we talk about cuboid basically, so this is cuboid, a structure that has length, it has breadth as well as thickness also. So it is a 3D figure basically. When we talk about cuboid, it is a 3D figure. It has length, breadth as well as thickness. So if you observe, so we have length, this one, this is length side, this is breadth, and we have thickness. This is thickness, right? You can see length, breadth, thickness. You can take an example of aquarium. We have length, then you have breadth, and this is thickness. This one. So this is thickness. It is a 3D structure, right? LBH, length, breadth, as well as thickness. So when we talk about volume of cuboid, so we have a formula in order to calculate volume. So what is the formula for volume? Volume is length into breadth into height. Volume is length into breadth into height. Volume. Length times breadth times height. Next one is vertical surface area. Vertical surface area. So what is vertical surface area? That has 2 times of length plus breadth times height. So 2 times of L plus B into H. Similarly, we can also find TSA, total surface area. Total surface area. So this is TSA. Total surface area is what? 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH. So this is TSA, total surface area. So in this question, length is given. Length is given how much? 16 centimeter. Breadth is given 14 centimeter. And height is given as 20 centimeters. So we have length, breadth as well as height. That is thickness. And they ask you to find TSA, total surface area. So what is the total surface area formula? 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH. Now simply substitute the values. So 2 times of length times breadth. What is length? Length is 16 times breadth. Breadth is 14 plus breadth times height. So 14 times height. Height is how much? 20 plus length into height. What is length? Length is 16 times height. Height is how much? 20. 16 times 20. Now simplify. Tell me the answer how much you are getting. Simplify. Simply multiply. Put the values. Simply multiply. So 16 times 14. 16 times 14, that is 224. 224. Similarly, 14 times 20, that is 280 basically. 16 times 20, that is 320. 320. Now simply add them. 224 plus 280 plus 320. That is how much? 824. 824 multiplied by 2. 824 multiplied by 2. So simply multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. So 1648 centimeter square. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. 1648 centimeter square. I will give you 1 minute time to copy it. Just copy this fast. Next one. The next question says that a cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquid? So volume is given, length is given, width is given. They ask you to find the height of that particular vessel. So in this particular question, length is given 10 meter, breadth is given as 8 meter, cubic meter of liquid, that means volume is given. Volume is given how much? 380 centimeter cube. And they ask you to find height. So volume is what? Length times breadth into height. So height is what? 380 times L into B. So 380 times what is length? 10 times breadth. Breadth is 8. 0, 0 gets cancelled out. So 38 over 8. Divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 8 9s are 18. So 19 over 4. You can simply divide also. We have 19, 4 4s are 16. Carry 3. 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20. 4.75. 4.75 centimeter is the height. So height of vessel is 4.75 meters. So this is the height of the vessel. Height of the vessel. Yeah, please make a note of it. Yes. Next one. Next question says that the dimension of cuboid in centimeter is 16, 40, 20, and they ask you to find the total surface area. Use the same formula 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH. Simply put the values. So length is given, breadth is given, height is given in this particular question. So just put the values here. So 2 times of LB, what is length? Length is how much? 16 times 14 plus breadth is how much? 14 times 20 plus length into height, that is 16 times 20. Right? Simply multiply 16 times 14 is 224. So it is 280. This is 320. Simply multiply, add them. So once you add it, so you have the answer. Clear? Simple concept. I hope the concept is clear. So cuboid portion is complete. Cuboid, we have only this much in cuboid. We'll meet in the next